everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I go by Mandarin. My name is Amanda and I do a lot of beauty videos, but today's video is going to be very different. So recently I've kind of been falling in love with the luxury beauty side of YouTube, and it's a very, very dangerous road to be going down because this gets very expensive and you're gonna want everything that you see, and I was a victim. But that leads me to something very exciting I wanted to share with you guys, and I did actually end up making a luxury purchase, which is crazy. I looked into the pre-loved market and I heard tons and tons of things about this website called FASHIONPHILE, and because so many people said that they loved it, I want to check it out for myself. This is not something that FASHIONPHILE has reached out to me to make a video on. I'm pretty sure pretty much all brands have no idea who I am, so that's not what is happening here. I wanted to share with you guys my kind of experience with FASHIONPHILE and sort of unbox it with you guys. This is going to be a pretty quick video and everyone is sleeping, so I'm trying not to be very, very loud, but I wanted to just get this video up and kind of share this experience because I've been way too excited to not just open this already. So I have kind of peeked, but I wanted to sort of do this together. I'm not going to tell you what I got quite yet, but I want to show you the packaging. It says FASHIONPHILE there, and you do get a nail file, which is kind of punny. I like it. They just have this like fun little packaging. It's kind of like a present, which I love. And here's my little box here. So the first thing that you get is a thank you card. Appreciate that. And then you get your receipts, which I have not looked at yet. Let's see the damages. No, I already know the damages. So the thing is, I ended up getting my first Louis Vuitton SLG. I've been very, very like into the brand lately and just want everything by them. So this is my first SLG today, and the price on it is actually more than on the website, but they kind of go by the demand. So this is a product that's been sold out. If you go on the website, you'll see call for availability, and it's just kind of hard to get your hands on. And I've seen some on eBay for even more money than what it is on their website. So I don't really think it's wrong that FASHIONPHILE is charging more than what's on the website just because of supply and demand. The longer something's on the app, the less and less the price will actually be in the end. And then here it says that basically you can sell your bag back to them, which is really cool too, and all that really good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the box out. Oh, I'm so excited. So the packaging says used is the new. I know a lot of people, especially on YouTube, I'm finding love the pre-loved market. If people are just going to be having these designer items sit in their closet and collecting dust, then what is the point? So might as well sell it back and make your coin. And some of these are like in pristine, perfect condition. I definitely did a lot of searching and I was looking for this item several times, and it was really kind of hard to find because it would sell kind of immediately on FASHIONPHILE, because like I said before, supply and demand. But I'm going to open it here. Oh, you can see it is a Louis item and it is an SLG. Can you guess what it is? So I'll go ahead and you do get a FASHIONPHILE dust bag. I was really, really picky because I wanted one with the original dust bag, so the Louis one, and the box as well, just so I could store it nicely and it just feels more new if I get everything that you would get if you went in the store. So they do give you their own as well as the original if it says that it comes with the original dust bag. So here is the one that it comes with, and there's the original right in the bottom. Feels really nice, looks really nice, and none of this smells like anything. If anything, it has a little bit of a sweet smell, but nothing to be worried about. So really excited, and here's going to be the big reveal. I'm so excited. Ah. So my first item here, it is a Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene mini pochette. I hope that I said that all correctly. I've been watching lots of videos, but I am in love with this sort of print, especially for the fall time, and I really wanted to get my first SLG as something that I could truly use on an everyday basis and kind of get the most use out of. And I just feel like this is very versatile because it's kind of like a wallet and kind of like a really tiny handbag at the same time. So that makes me really, really excited. I'm gonna show you, and everything looks like in a really good condition. There's a little like I just feel like the hardware is a little more gold on the chain than on the D-ring. Not really too worried about that. You can see here, you can clearly see that it was made in France, which I thought would be a little more cool than the US ones. Try to show that there. I'll make sure to insert some good shots of this, but it looks like it's in really, really good condition. And I'll show you guys the inside. It's the beautiful red interior. I'm definitely going to be sporting this all the time. And then here you can see if you remove this tag, you own it. So there's a commitment right there. And then they also authenticate everything. So you get a little authenticity card to show you that what you bought is real. It's really cool because they authenticate it right on the website. So you don't really have to worry about any of that wasting your money or anything like that with FASHIONPHILE, which makes me really excited. So yeah, I guess there's not too much more to say. I am rocking a Fashion Nova t-shirt, Make Money Not Friends, just to be angsty and go along with this bougie video. And yeah, I just wanted to show you because I love seeing these types of unboxings, and I thought maybe you guys would be interested in it too, and I just want to kind of share the experience I had with you guys. Honestly, it was really good. The shipping came within like a week. They took my payment via card, and it was just good. And the cool thing is you can kind of like heart all the things you're interested in. But things do kind of go quickly if it's a very high demand item, such as this. I got this for about $3.25, I believe, and they sell for, I believe, $3.11 on the website, which I didn't think was too bad considering on the website you still would have to pay tax and maybe even shipping. So it was $3.25, no shipping cost. Which was fine with me because everything is far from me, so having to spend money on gas to go to the actual store and all that, it just kind of made it a lot easier for me in the end. So the cost being a little bit higher didn't bother me, and going on there again, looking up the same item, they're now running for over $400. So definitely say if you see something that you think you want and you're gonna heart it, I mean, not saying spend all your money, but if you're in the right place for it, I would say buy it because it goes really quickly on the website. But they have tons of stuff and I've been totally loving it, so I want you guys to kind of be in on it as well with me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different than what I usually do, but I figure since I love watching these videos so much that you guys might enjoy watching it as well. As always, I hope you enjoy watching my video as much as I enjoy making it for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.